Good morning and welcome. My name is Tracy and I'm coming to you from Knitwerks. You can find my email knitwerks@gmail.com or find my website knitwerks.com. And I am here at 2 o'clock in the morning. I slept for about 4 hours last night and woke up entirely too early. My alarm is going off in about 15 minutes. And I'm ready to go for my vacation. But in the meantime, let me share my projects with you. So, the never-ending Sode sweater, Sode cardigan. I played yarn chicken with the sleeve. So essentially what happened is I knew I was going to run out of yarn. I knew I wasn't going to get both sleeves done. So what I did was I waited. Knitpicks had a special with free shipping, and I ordered one skein of the Woodsland in Chicken of the Woods, which is this colorway. And if I get up, that's how close I am. That's how close. So one thing I do that I do wrong a lot of the time, and I like this color, by the way. Let me fold it up. I should have made it a little bit bigger, but I was worried about the amount of yarn. So, what was I saying? So, I thought I'd be able to get the full arm done with the one skein I had, and then I'd order another one for the other arm because I used all but just a tiny bit on the color. I had to finish the last row with the next ball of yarn. So one thing that I do is I tend to make the sleeves too short. They fit when I'm trying it on, and then when I wear it in real life, it's too short. It comes to like here. So I wind up making 3/4 sleeves. So this has been a lot of work, a lot of energy, a lot of money, a lot of shipping fees because I keep on having to order more yarn because I can't calculate correctly. And I want it to be perfect. So I don't want 3/4 sleeves. I'd either want it sleeveless or full length sleeves. So I have 2 more Knitpicks packages arriving while I'll be away, hopefully, so that when I get back, I can finish the sleeve, and move on. So you know what? I'm going to leave this. So while I'm doing that, the sweater's not coming with me. I have no yarn. It's on order. And playing yarn chicken is guessing how much yarn you have left for a project. And sometimes you win and you make it, and I lost. So the other thing that I'm doing is the musselburgh hat. Let me see what type of yarn I have. It is Fiesta Baby Boom Superwash Merino. So this is going to go to my friend's mother. I'd like to have it done while I'm there. And I'm hoping TSA does not take my super sharp here he is away. I will be devastated if they do. While I'm there, I will have enough yarn because I have yarn anxiety for 2 more hats and a stamped cross stitch kit. So if you don't know what that is, basically the design is colored on the fabric, and the color coordinates with the number of yarn that you have to use, and you get it kitted up. So you get, however many. I think this one has 23 different colors around there. So that would be uncomfortable to do on the plane, but it's good like early morning. Well, watch her end up knitting the whole time, but I am all set. Yesterday morning, I woke up about the same time and started panicking and shoved more yarn in my suitcase. I never wind up doing everything. At least this time, I didn't even bother bringing books. I just downloaded some audiobooks. I never wind up reading them. I wind up knitting the whole time. Hopefully, when we get back, I'll have pictures of one hat, perhaps two hats done, probably not. And I hope I have my Knitpicks Woodsland wool to finish the never ending, never finished, never enough yarn for the Sode cardigan. In the meantime, I'm going to go and make sure everything's in the car again, make myself a breakfast, and get ready to get on a plane that hopefully doesn't crash on my way to vacation. Have a great one. Happy knitting. Thank you for joining me. Have a great week. I'll talk to you next time.